Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to change group chat profile picture on Instagram. First step is open your Instagram app on your mobile. Tap on the little chat icon at the very top right corner. Then tap on your group chat. Then click on the group chat name. Then click on change group photo. Here you can change photo of your own choice. Choose from library, take photo. I want to take photo. You can see the group photo changed now.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.